The key to simplifying your trading process is you have to understand what kind of decision maker you are. Are you the kind of person that has multiple things that are going on in your life at the same time? Do you find that your day is filled with too many activities? Do you feel that you do a lot of things, but you feel like your productivity level at the end of the day is not where you'd like it to be? The reason why we ask these questions is because the majority of the world believes that doing more will produce more, and yet you find that those who are the greatest leaders, visionaries, movers, and shakers, they do less and they get more done. Well, how can that be? That's because the majority of the world has believed in something that just isn't true. At Felgar Trading, we believe in the KISS principle. You may have heard of this one. It's called Keep It Simple, Superman or Superwoman. You will find that in any great endeavor, there is a simple system, whether it be in business, sports, or nature. You'll find that the greatest athletes that get into the zone talk about the game slowing down for them because they are only focusing on a few things at a time. They're simplifying the process in their own minds. With trading and investing, it is the same thing. There should be a system, a rhythm, a pattern, a repetitive motion, whatever you want to call it, that produces winning results over and over again. Which, if you think about it, is the same thing that happens to people that lose money in trading over and over again. They have a system that works for them as well. Their system has rhythms and patterns that produce losing results. Have you ever noticed that losers are pretty consistent? They're consistently losing, aren't they? Do you want to be a loser? Do you want to lose money consistently? No, right? You want to be a winner. You want to make money. Then listen up. At Felgar Trading, we believe in having the right frame of mind is the key to winning. Just like the frame of a house, it will give you the foundation and the security that gives you the peace of mind that you know your house is not going to collapse in the middle of the night while you're sleeping and dreaming of being on your multi-million-dollar private yacht, although most people will never think about it that way. In order to win, you have to have a simple system, and the key to simplifying is less is more. Warren Buffett says that you should make no more than 20 decisions in your life. And when Warren Buffett, who is basically the greatest investor of all time, says something, it might be a good idea to listen to what he's saying, don't you think? But most traders don't really care about what he has to say because they think they're the smartest person on the planet. And they think they can beat the system, and they think they can figure it out. And in no time, they're broke with no trading capital. It's because they're spending too much time trying to figure it out. Too many decisions, too many questions, and too much trading. The result? Failure. And you're broke. Not a good result. Overtrading does not produce over great results. It does the exact opposite. And guess what? Overpracticing doesn't produce great results either. People say that practice makes perfect. Well, that's not true. What if you've been practicing the wrong thing the entire time? The truth is that perfect practice makes perfect, doesn't it? You have to be practicing in the right way. It's like shooting a basketball the wrong way. You can practice your shooting over and over again with the wrong technique, with the wrong form, but guess what? You're not going to become the next Kobe Bryant, are you? To simplify trading, you have to learn to simplify your process and simply start practicing your process. But remember to keep it simple, Superman, because if you don't, you'll become Bizarro, and you don't want to become Bizarro. For more information about Felgar Trading and additional training materials and subscriptions, please visit felgar.com. This video is for educational purposes only and not a recommendation to buy or sell any particular financial instrument. Futures and currency trading have large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You may lose all or more of your initial investment. Opinions, market data, and recommendations are subject to change at any time. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to trade or invest in the futures or currency markets. Absolutely do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. The past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. You should carefully consider whether trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances, knowledge, and financial resources, as trading is not right for all investors. Absolutely consult your registered financial advisor or risk trading plan before ever trading or investing in any financial instrument.